Put the arms into position. The legs will up there. And we'll kick everybody.
I just got it.
So, wrap around yeah, oh, we still got one.
What the heck?
Okay. There we go.